Weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY 31's chief meteorologist Kate McKenna.
All is quiet on the WAAY 31 storm tracker early warning radar network. A big difference from this same time yesterday, but it's not going to stay quiet through tonight. We got another chance for a few showers rolling through. This is just looking off to the northwest around Memphis, and it is just a few showers. This little batch is going to be tracking right along the Tennessee-Alabama line. So the sunshine that we're seeing right now, well, those clouds are going to start filling in as the evening goes on. You're already seeing that now in Muscle Shoals, so a little brief window of sunshine. The weather station hasn't quite caught up to the fact that the clouds are moving back in. Still reporting that clear sky, 61 degrees, still gusting up to 20 miles per hour. That wind out of the southwest sustained at 11 miles per hour, but the wind is not nearly as strong as it was yesterday. And of course, it's not nearly as warm as it was yesterday. We're still 20 degrees cooler than this same time Wednesday in Huntsville. It's an 18-degree drop in Muscle Shoals, a 20-degree drop for Scottsboro and for Fort Payne. As we go through tonight, let's kind of walk you through how things are going to evolve when it comes to the clouds rolling back in and that chance for rain moving back in. I told you it stays basically right along the Tennessee-Alabama line here. Not everyone sees rain, but it's gone by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. A little bit of cloud cover left over for Friday. Then as the day goes on, it's still just that good mix of clouds and sun. It's a little bit breezy tomorrow, not terribly windy. And for the most part, the day is dry. So is the overnight. But as we get into Saturday, that's when things are going to start to change. So for Friday evening plans, you'll need the jacket, but you won't need the umbrellas. Now, as we get into early Saturday, here you go. There's that chance for showers back in our forecast. This is really a morning event lasting through around lunchtime. Past 11 o'clock, these spotty showers continue to track eastward, and during the afternoon we are drier, but we'll still be holding on to some cloud cover. So heading out the door tomorrow morning, it's going to be chilly. Temperatures as cold as the upper 30s, but with some sunshine, we'll be warming pretty nicely. Still running below average for this time of year by about 10 degrees. 62 is your forecast high for Friday. I mentioned that good mix of clouds and sun for you, wind out of the west up to 15 miles per hour. If you do have some outdoor plans, prepare accordingly. This is the time of year when we really start suffering with allergies, and especially, I say we, I mean me. I'm in the thick of it with everyone else here. For tree pollen, reading very high. For grass pollen, it should be reading in the moderate category. That grass pollen is going to start to become more and more of an issue as the spring goes on. So as we go through next week, let's talk about this next better chance for rain. This data source shows most of the heavier rain staying just off to our south and east. Now, we have other data sources that are showing a bullseye of heavy rain back over North Alabama, basically Tuesday all through Tuesday evening. So just to kind of give you an idea here of what we are expecting, what we can see out of this, just this round of showers tonight, not a lot of rain, about 1/10 of an inch at most. But if we're talking about that next system that comes in Tuesday, well, then we can see as much as about 2 inches and some locally higher amounts, especially farther toward the south. So just know that what we're looking at there when you're seeing all that rain tracking farther to the south, it can be a little farther north up into Alabama. So at this point in time, giving it a 70% chance of rain Tuesday. Until then, enjoy the quieter weather and some sunshine.